Hi, this is John with WTI. And if you don't want to go outside and go to a coffee shop, but you still want to get your cappuccino, this guy here is great. But not only just to make coffee, this guy is the Nescafe Cappuccino instant coffee. So what you do with this is that you get hot water, you have one of these little guys here and dissolve it, and you have a cappuccino that's gonna be sometimes even better than the ones that you would get in a coffee shop. But I don't use this just to get my coffee. So normally I like to eat oatmeal and I like to make like nice combinations for different things. So I put a little bit of this scoop of this cappuccino mix. Let me tell you already, it just tastes awesome. If you ever tried to get a little bit of energy and you haven't like a good oatmeal, I add a little bit of this guy. It will taste awesome. And the convenience of just having this guy here, open it up, put it in the hot water, and you just mix it, and you get a nice cappuccino. Pretty much not getting better than that. So this was John with WATI, and that was my point.